Good morning, class family. It's a terrific Tuesday. Let's look at our message together. Show me that you're a team and a class family. Follow along with your eyes and listen with your ears. Use your finger to point. Ready? Start in the top right-hand corner with the date. January 30th, 2024. Dear class family, today is Tuesday. We will learn a lot at school. First, we will learn letters and sounds. Next, we will go on Lexia and do literacy centers. Then, we will read to determine if predictions were correct. Last, we will write a nonfiction book for a middle of the year writing sample. It is a great day. Love Miss Joyner. Oh, it is a great day. Okay, readers, we're going to look back and reread the message. Remember, good readers read things again. It's called rereading. They do this so their brain can understand the words on the page. We're going to be reading from top to bottom and left to right. Start with the date in the top right-hand corner. I see the abbreviation for the month with the capital letter JAN period. What does that abbreviation stand for? We'll say the name of the month out loud. If you said January, you're right. Great job. Notice the capital letter J to start. Good writers and mathematicians begin each month of the year with a capital letter because it's special and important. They also start each day of the week with a capital letter too. Okay, readers, we're going to reread. January 30th, 2024. Dear class family, today is Tuesday. It is Tuesday, and it's a terrific Tuesday. Notice the capital letter T that starts that sentence. Good writers start sentences with capital letters and end with punctuation marks. As we are rereading, notice all of the capital letters that start sentences and the punctuation marks at the end. We have lots of periods at the end of telling sentences and statements within our message. We're going to practice writing sentences today with a capital letter and a period at the end. You're going to be doing that later today to show what you know for a writing sample. Okay, look at the next sentence. We will learn a lot at school. Oh, that's true, class family. We do that every day, working on being a portrait of a graduate. And we're focusing primarily on being a great communicator and collaborator. Remember to speak clearly with your mouth and listen with your ears. That's what good communicators do. Okay, we're going to see the order of what we're doing in language arts first, next, then, and last. First, we'll learn letters and sounds, just like we do every day at school to get ready for first grade next year. We're going to use so many resources to learn letters and sounds, including our word wall. We have the foundations cards on the word wall plus words. We're going to use the electronic version. We also have our sound wall in the back of the classroom and an electronic version projected on the smart board. We're using UFly, and we are learning so many letters and sounds and how to shape our mouth for consonants and vowels. Ow. And guess what else we're going to do? Dun, 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 phonemic awareness. We're going to practice tapping the beginning, middle, and ending sound, saying that whole word. It's going to be awesome. Okay. Oh, and that's going to help us to be better readers and writers when you're sounding things out. You can say the word and practice tapping just like we practice at school. Next, we will go on Lexia and do literacy centers. We'll go on Lexia Core 5 reading program. We have some certificates to award, some more stickers to pass out. We're going to pass more units. You're going to pump your brain with knowledge. You're going to meet with more teachers within the classroom in groups and do some other individual and group centers. It's going to be a wonderful review today. Then we will read to determine if predictions were correct. Okay, so yesterday we read a book on community helpers, and we were able to look at that at the beginning and see our predictions and see if it was correct before reading. We're going to do the same thing again today, and we are going to be looking at a nonfiction text. Remember, they teach, inform, and explain real things. We're going to be checking out more on community helpers and learning about community helpers. So let's go ahead and review some of the community helpers that we're going to be learning about and reading more information on today in kindergarten. We're also going to be rereading a poem. Do you remember the poem Community Helpers? We're going to be rereading it. Are you ready? Okay, we're going to do it in class too. Remember the poem Community Helpers, and it can be sung to the tune I'm a Little Teapot. Community Helpers. I'm a community helper, brave and true. I help the town with the things I do. So work real hard and you will see you can be a blank just like me. Or you could sing it. I'm a community helper, brave and true. I help the town with the things I do. So work real hard and you will see you can be a blank just like me. And we're going to learn about community helpers, and we can fill in the blank with different ideas of some community helpers that you want to be too. Last, we'll write a nonfiction book for a middle of the year writing sample. You're going to be writing a middle of the year writing sample. It's going to be on one topic. Really focus on that, and we are going to see what you know independently. That means by yourself. It is a great day. Love, Miss Joyner. It is a great day. It's fantastic. Get your fans ready. Fantastic. Our do you like question for today is, do you like blocks? Think about your answer and get ready to say yes or no and explain your reason why. Do you like blocks?